Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to show you how to claim the farm equipment depreciation deduction on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. And the first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So first, you got to determine if you're eligible for the farm equipment depreciation deduction, and if you are, you're going to go ahead and collect your farm equipment documents, including your purchase receipts and depreciation schedules. Next, you're going to sign into your Turbotax account and then select the tax year that you want to claim the deductible for. Next, just choose deductions, and then you're going to select farm equipment depreciation as your deduction type. Once that's done, you're going to enter your depreciation information, including your equipment cost, useful life, and of course the depreciation method. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and claim the deduction based on your eligibility and depreciation information. And the final step is going to be to review your deduction claims and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to claim the farm equipment depreciation deduction on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.